Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add more storage to an iPhone. First, go to the settings. Here, open the general settings. On scrolling down, you'll see the option of iPhone storage. Tap on it. Here you'll find the total storage consumed by your device. Also, you can see the different storages consumed by different applications on your phone. Now go back and tap to open your profile. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of iCloud. Tap on it. Here you'll find the option of Manage Storage. Tap on it to manage the storage. As you can see, you have the option to upgrade your iCloud to iCloud Plus. Here are the different pricing plans per month. You can buy any of them to add extra storage to your iPhone. After that, tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Extra storage will be added to your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.